All right, how about this one? I want to, 3I minus 4 minus 3, 4I minus 5. Okay, so what do you think we're going to have to do here?
Distributive property.
Distributive property, Emily.
Oil.
So, remember, I use FOIL when I have binomials. This is, you're combining two terms. Okay, so you need to be careful. I'm going to use the distributive property. So what am I going to have?
3I
minus 12. Negative 12I plus 15.
Okay, can I combine like terms?
Negative 9I plus 3.
Plus 3. Okay.
That's the answer?
That's it.
Can you get something from negative 9?
Could I, is there a common factor? Could I actually factor this? They both have a common factor of 3, and I could have negative 3I plus 1 if I were to simplify it.
What's above it?
Wait, can you figure
What
out
plus
what
one?
negative 9I would be?
I'm sorry, I'm hearing lots of questions. What?
Can you simplify negative 9I?
How would you simplify negative 9I?
I don't know.
Okay, so I can, in looking at this, I can find a common factor is 3. 3 goes into a negative 9I, negative 3I times, and 3 times 3 is 1. So I factored it. I did simplify that. Okay? All right. You ready? Good, Kristen. I'm glad you're ready. Okay, how about this one? 2 plus I times 5 minus 3I. Now, Michael, what are we going to use?
Oil.
Okay, so you may FOIL, use your area model, whatever you prefer. Just be careful, all right? Or you can use the distributive property. So I'm going to let you do that problem out, and then we'll check your answer.
Is that 2 plus I?
2 plus I times 5 minus 3I.
What did you do with 2 times 3I?
I got negative I plus 13.
I got 13 minus
Okay, what did you get for an answer?
That's the same thing.
Yeah, I know, but I thought you said something else. Place is 13 plus 1.
Anybody done? Laura, what'd you get?
13 minus I.
13 minus I?
7.
Is everybody good with that?
Yeah.
Anybody have any questions? You did not get that? Okay, so I can use, can I use the distributed property?
Yeah, I used 4.
Okay, 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times a negative 3I is what? A negative 6I. I times 5 is 5I. And I have what? Negative 3I squared. Okay, this is where people make the most mistakes, these next 2 steps. And we are going to be doing a lot of problems, and this is where people trick. All right, so please make sure that you're aware of this. So I'm going to have a minus 6I minus 3I squared. What do we know that I squared equals?
Wouldn't it just be?
Negative 1.
Wait, it
10
would just be I. There's no six.
I times negative
No.
3I.
No, you add
Negative 6I
Plus
plus 5I.
Oh, sorry, right here. Negative 1. Sorry, my bad. Okay, is, all right, so I have 10 minus 1I minus 3. And what did I squared equal? Negative 1. This is multiplication. So what operation, if this is multiplication, a negative 1 times that negative 3 is a positive 3. So I have 10 minus 1i plus 3 equals what? 13 minus 1i. Okay, so be careful. That's a step that people make mistakes on. Okay, hold on. I think, am I done with you guys?
Yes.
I think. Okay, hold on. Drum roll. Drum roll. Erase. You ready?
No.
Ma'am.
Maybe.
Worksheet.
Oh dear.
Oh, that was so funny.
But wait. Okay, but wait a minute. Look at what it says on the bottom. Okay.
Why am I laughing at that? That was really tired.
Alright, so